Kakao Mail. Welcome to Zeninbox. Connecting your Kakao mailbox. Using IMAP SMTP, easily integrate your Kakao Mail account with Zeninbox. Using IMAP SMTP for seamless email sending and receiving. Follow this step-by-step guide to set up your Kakao Mail mailbox. Navigate to Mailboxes in Zeninbox. Click Add Mailboxes in the top right corner. Select Add Manually to proceed. Choose IMAP/SMTP as your connection type. Click Next to continue. First name, enter your first name. Last name, enter your last name. Email ID, enter your Kakao Mail address. Click Next to proceed. Kakao Mail requires an app password for external mail clients. Follow these steps to generate one. Log into your Kakao Mail account. Click on the Settings icon. Navigate to the IMAP/POP3 section. Under IMAP/SMTP access, select Enable. Set up two-step verification if not already enabled. Scroll down to Password for external applications. Click Generate App Password. Copy the app password. You will need this in the next steps. Username. Enter your Kakao Mail email. Password. Use the app password you generated from Kakao Mail. IMAP. Host. imap.kakao.com. IMAP. Port 993, SSL required. IMAP. TLS. Toggle on to enable encryption. Click Next to continue. Username. Enter your Kakao Mail email. Password. Use the app password you generated from Kakao Mail. SMTP host. smtp.kakao.com. SMTP. Port 465, SSL required. SMTP TLS. Toggle on for encrypted email sending. Optional to set a different reply. To email, check the Set Reply To box and enter the desired email address. Click Next to proceed. You can create a custom email signature for outgoing emails. Click Finish to complete the setup. Success. Your Kakao mailbox is now connected. You will see a confirmation message, IMAP added successfully. Your Kakao Mail mailbox is now ready for sending and receiving emails in Zeninbox. Enjoy a seamless email experience with Zeninbox.